Hey, ladies and gentlemen, trying to be cheap again. Went to the old Amazon. I thought the other day, well, I'm gonna go to Amazon and get this here belt. And actually, I decided I'm gonna get two of them. It's this brand right here, and you see this belt? See that right there? Oh, that's about 35 minutes in. That's what it did. So I thought, well, it's a good thing I ordered two of them belts. I must have some kind of pulley problem because I just yesterday, right along with changing the belt, I changed these spindles. And look at here, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. So I thought, well, maybe the other bearings are damaged. And no, the bearings are not damaged. It just apparently that belt was crap. You know, I used that Rolock disc to polish these pulleys a little bit. So the belt wouldn't wear out prematurely. I polished the top side and bottom side. Well, little did I know, it wore out anyway. I looked at the back here, and that pulley is smooth as well. There's no damage or no grooves worn into it. So I just figured I'll save yourself the money. If you see this brand right here, you're planning on buying it, I would just as soon not buy them. I since ordered a green Kevlar type belt. Hopefully that'll last me a little bit longer. They only had one in stock, or actually I would have ordered two of them as well. But anyway, just saying, I just wanted to make that quick video here and show you. Don't buy those.